I remember one time I was preparing for one of my sessions in the placement office. I was folding a number of origami animals that the kids could later decorate, play with, and project upon. When I finished, I left one at the desk I was sitting at, as a thank you present for whoever's space I was allowed to use. Next thing I know, I'm bombarded by the other staff members present at the time. Hey, how can I get one of those? Yeah, I want one. You're gonna have to make one for all of us now. The inner child is an archetype, isn't it? And one that is naturally activated when one works with children. As an archetype, our inner child yearns for acknowledgement and expression. It is therefore very important, especially for our therapists that work with children, that we keep in touch with our inner children and take the time to nurture them. Or else, they may become manifest in other, less desirable ways.
Hostile inner child collapse under pressure syndrome, or HICCUPS, is a fictional syndrome made up for the purposes of this documentary. It nonetheless affects 4 in every 33 trainee art therapists each year. If not discovered early, hiccups may or may not require drastic treatment and rehabilitation.
Sometimes I feel so hungry. Sometimes I feel so full. Sometimes I feel so silly. Sometimes I feel so cool. But sometimes I stamp my feet, clench my fists, grit my teeth, slam the door. Crash, bang, shout out loud, that's not fair! Because I feel so angry, I feel so angry, I think it's just not fair. Because I feel so angry, I feel so angry. Are you listening? And do you care?
Oh my god, that is so good!
Feel so angry, I feel so angry, I think it's just not fair. Because I feel so angry, I feel so angry. Are you listening? And do you care? Because I feel so angry, I feel so angry, I think it's just not fair. Oh, I feel so angry, I feel so angry. Will you listen and show you care?
Yay! Yay! And then,
You got all splash on the face.
yeah, I can do that actually.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Clapping.
The same thing with clay, maybe.
What do you mean?
The same mess with clay. I really love it to do.
That is so fun. You want Yeah, please.
Oh.
Before we go, let's do our cool down song. Are you ready? Stretch high. That's right, up high. Bend low. Right down low. Arms out wide. Sway to and fro.
Some of us here at Roehampton University on the Art Therapy Programme, we take hiccups very seriously. And one can access various avenues for support, including paper folding, paper tearing, paper flying. Rocket building's quite good. Whatever this is. Peer supervision, beer supervision, and probably if you're really looking for something, then I'd go as far as beard supervision, amongst others.